Let's solve part B now. So suppose that the firm cannot observe whether a worker is energetic or lazy. Now, at what level of a piece rate pay can the firm be sure it attracts only its most preferred type of worker? So first thing is this: what is the most preferred type of worker? Well, in the previous video we saw that the most preferred type of worker are the energetic workers. So with that said, how can we attract only energetic workers? Now, what's the idea here? We're having a piece rate pay. So far we had a fixed wage of $18 per hour, but now we're going to pay a certain amount for every shoe produced. So for instance, if the energetic people produce 9 shoes per hour, then for every shoe we're going to pay a certain amount. So let's call that amount X. For every shoe we're paying a certain amount X. Now, how can we attract the energetic people? We must make the salary, the wage in our company better, strictly better than the outside wage. So if in their alternative job they get $18 per hour, we must necessarily make it more attractive in our company. So 9 times X must be strictly greater than 18. Not greater than or equal, because if it's equal they would be indifferent, so some of them might go for the alternative company, but if we want to necessarily attract them to us, it must be strictly greater than 18. Hope this makes sense. Now the same logic goes for the other guys. The lazy workers are also paid with a piece rate. So for every shoe that they produce, they get the same amount. So that would be 5x, and we must compare it to the alternative job, to the alternative wage. Now, we only want the energetic people, meaning that we want to get rid of the lazy people. How can we get rid of the lazy people? By making it unattractive in our company. So, when the lazy people take a decision between getting $12 in a different company and 5 times X in our company, the alternative company must be more attractive. So, the $12 must be greater than 5x. And this relationship has to hold at the same time. It has to hold for both workers. So we're solving a system of inequalities. Now, how can we solve it? Well, we will just cancel out some terms, because 9 and 18 cancel out, so that x is going to be greater than 2. And 5 and 12 also cancel out. I mean, they simplify. So 12 divided by 5, that's just 2.4, meaning that x is going to be less than 2.4. So if that piece rate pay is greater than $2 per shoe and less than $2.4 per shoe, right, per unit of output, so to speak, we are going to attract only the energetic people, and the lazy people are going to go for the alternative job. Hope this makes sense. In the next video, we're going to solve part C.